in this concept 1, you can see that there are two angle of projection for the same horizontal range. Let us analyze this concept. You can visualize that if we project a projectile at this angle, then its range is this one. And again now we project this projectile at some other angle, then its range is again the same. So let us analyze it analytically. So we know that the value of range or the formula of range is u square sine 2 theta by g. This is the formula of range, and we know that if angle of projection is theta, then the range is this r, range is equal to r, and when angle of projection is 90 minus theta, then the range will be equal to u square sine 2 into 90 minus theta by g. So range will be equal to u square sine 180 minus 2 theta by g, and you know that sine 180 minus theta is sine theta only. So the range will be equal to u square sine 2 theta by g, which is the same as was when the angle was theta. So the range in both these cases are same. So we can say that there are two angles of projections, theta and 90 minus theta, for which the range is same. But you can see for the bigger angle of projection, the maximum height is greater, and obviously time would also be greater. So let us analyze that also. So for angle of projection of theta, the maximum height is h1, which is u square sine square theta by g, in fact 2g. And for the angle of projection of 90 minus theta, the maximum height is h2, which is u square cos square theta by 2g. So the sum of these two heights would be u square by 2g. Okay, sine square plus cos square would be 1. So there are two angles of projection for which range is same, and those two angles are complementary to each other, as well as the sum of maximum heights on those two angles is u square by 2g, which is the greatest possible maximum height, which we have already discussed. Now the time of flight in the first case is 2u sine theta by g, and the time of flight in the second case will be 2u cos theta by g, because sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. Okay, so this is the time of flight in these two cases. Thank you.